My name is Bruce Tastian. I'm the Fixed Operation Director for Bunn & Chevrolet of Fillmore. This is a new company that we purchased a couple months ago. It needed some refurbishing and remodeling, a whole lot of stuff. We decided to add some BendPak lifts in here, making the shop much better for the technicians to work in. We're a Chevy dealership, but our technicians are ASE certified. They can fix any type of car, oil changes to engines, to wheel alignments, anything that they need in their vehicle we can take care of here. So here at this facility we have 7 BendPak lifts. They're newly installed. At our other facility there's 12 or 13. The installation process was great. They told me what day they were going to come out. They said they'd be here for 3 days. The quality is great. The experience that we've had is great. They've just been an all-around good company. They were very professional. They did a great job.